eye muscles and eye movements. So there are 6 kinds of muscles we all know: superior rectus, antagonist to its inferior rectus. Okay. Then there is medial rectus, and opposite to it is lateral rectus. If we will talk about the other two muscles, which is superior oblique and inferior oblique muscles. So these are 6 kinds of muscles. Let us talk about the movements related to it. So elevation means upward movement. Okay. Depression means downward movement. That is this one and this one. Intorsion means internal rotation, which will be like this, and extorsion is outward rotation, which will be like this. Abduction and adduction. What is adduction and what is abduction? So adduction is nothing but towards the midline, movement towards the midline, and abduction, if we'll talking about, it will be towards left side, okay, or towards the opposite side. So for remembering the trick, you have to just do one thing, which is you have to write these muscles in the exact same order as I have written it. Superior rectus, inferior rectus. So what I have done is I have written one muscle, and then I have written the other muscle which is antagonist to it, such as superior rectus, this one, and then I have written inferior rectus. Okay, middle rectus and lateral rectus, if you don't write also, the trick will work. So superior oblique and inferior oblique. So this one superior oblique, and the antagonist one inferior oblique. So these four are necessary. What we have done in this is that we have related the movement of the eyes to the clock movements, clock needle movement. We just have to remember superior rectus, inferior rectus, superior oblique, inferior oblique, 3:30, 9:30, 9 o'clock, and you just have to draw according to the needles of the clock. So 3 o'clock, where the needles will be, one will be at 12 and one will be at 3. Okay, so right now I'm just focusing on the needles, so please pay attention. 3:30, it will be one needle towards the 3 and one needle towards the 6. Okay. 9:30, again 9:30 will be like this. 9 at 9 one needle will be, and at one needle will be at 6. Again 9 o'clock, if you will see, then again one needle towards 9 and the other one towards 12. So this is the trick. Now what about intorsion or extorsion? Because we all know that left side is indicating abduction, and right side arrow is adduction movement, upward movement is elevation, and downward movement is depression. So what about the arrows? So wherever 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock is there, you just have to draw the arrows inside. That will be intorsion. 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, it will be intorsion only. So like this. So it will be like this inside the and the arrows will always be pointing towards downward needle. What about the others? The arrows will be outside and it will always point towards the downward needle. So this is related to these movements. If you will just learn the trick, you can answer any questions without any obstacle or any problem. Now nerve supply related to these muscles. So except for lateral rectus and superior oblique, all others are supplied by, as you can see, oculomotor nerve. Okay, which is cranial nerve free. Now let us talk about lateral rectus and superior oblique. So I have again one trick for it. How will you remember that which one is supplied by 6th and 4th cranial nerve? So I have one trick which is SOLR. I call it solar. Okay, so solar you can remember. So lateral rectus, how do I remember? So lateral rectus, if you will see, just the movement left, arrow pointing towards left will be lateral rectus, and we call this movement as we call it abduction. So it will be supplied by abducens nerve. As you all know that 6th cranial nerve is also known as abducens. So abduction movement related to it, which will be pointing towards left, and L for left and L for lateral rectus. If we will be talking about superior oblique, then the last one which is left will be trochlear only, 4th one. And what about the levator palpebral muscle? which is for the movement of entirely for the movement of upper eyelid, and it is also supplied by third cranial nerve, which is oculomotor. I hope you all have got my trick. Thank you.